Hi all, welcome back to the What's Next YouTube channel. In the last video, we saw the user interface of Lovable vibe coding tool, and we did a detailed tour of all the features which are available. Today, what we are going to do is we are going to develop a fully functional note-taking web application using this Lovable vibe coding tool. Okay, as a first step, what we have done is I have given a detailed requirement. So before executing this, I'll walk you through with the detailed requirements. Okay, you are building a production ready web note taking app. So basically, here we have given the goal that it's a private note taking app for individual users, and basically it should have a user accounts with login, and these are all the core features, right? Create, edit, delete, auto save, search nodes, tag nodes, sort nodes. So all these should be the core features which should be available. Along with that, these are the note structures, and basically no sharing the notes. Basically it's one on one. My notes only I can see, and basically if another user note, only he can able to see that. Okay, so what are the like minimalistic UI, mobile responsive, fast interaction, simple architecture. So basically here we can able to give the goal, constraint, and basically like what the app you want to do that, right? So everything you can able to provide here. So this is the detailed prompt. This prompt also I will attach it to the video description link, so that you can able to download the whole prompt. And this is the Lovable. I have a free account only. Currently, I don't have a pro account at all. So you also create a free account with Lovable. This Lovable link also I will provide in the video description. So you can able to create a free account, and basically you can able to follow along with me, so that you can do this hands on and you can able to learn by doing this from your end. Okay, so as I have shown you the entire prompt, make sure that I'm currently providing this prompt to the Lovable engine to execute. Okay. So currently the Lovable engine is thinking, and it has already got my requirement. Currently it is trying to go through and create the model, and it is currently like if you see in the left hand side, basically like it is as I said that, right, it's a free account only currently I'm using, and basically daily you will be getting 5 credits. So it is showing me that basically how much credit it is burning through, right? Each thing which you are providing, right, through the prompts, it will consume like the credits, and then only it will build it. It's as good as you think credits as paying a developer, right? So make sure that you give the prompts very detailed manner, so that you will not waste the credit, and unnecessarily you will not consume credits, right? So currently it has went ahead and created the data model, and it is currently asking my approval. Okay, so if either we can able to request change, if at all a request change, it will try to modify the requested change. Otherwise, if I am currently okay, means I can provide okay and approve the build also. I'm currently looking whatever I requested, it is trying to accomplish. So I'm okay with it, and I'm approving the build. Okay, so currently it says looks good and build it, right? So once you submit this one, again it will try to work on that one, and it will try to do the next step. So like that, it is this tool, right? Basically it's like you are working with a person. Basically each step it will ask you, and basically you can look into that information, and you can go through that. If you are okay, you can provide allow, or like you can deny whatever you want to do, you can able to do that. Okay, so currently what it is asking is, I will enable the Lovable cloud first for the authentication and database, then build the complete app. In the last video I have showed you, Lovable itself has a like a cloud storage. So basically my app, when the note taking app it is developing, it has to store somewhere. Okay, so it is asking me whether I can whether it can able to create a Lovable cloud account, and it can able to store my like the developed app there. Okay, I can either say allow or I can deny it, and I can say that I use some other thing, right? So here what I'm trying to do is I'll allow that, and I'll make sure that it will like develop further. Okay, so as you can see here, for each of the interaction it is taking away my credits. Okay, first you saw 4, now it is 3.9, right? So now currently I'm allowing that one. Currently it is doing the next step. Since it's creating, it will take more time. So depending on the work, sometime it will take more time. Sometime it comes back quickly. So each interaction is depending on the task it is trying to do. Okay, here you can see some of the task it auto approved. So meaning that it due to some of the things it's modified the schema, so it doesn't want me to act on it. So basically it felt safe, so it is automatically approved that, and it is moving ahead. Okay, all the safe interaction, what it will do, it will try to move ahead like this. If at all it needs some more clarity only, it will come back to you so that you can act on that. Suppose whatever it is trying to go through, if you want to see everything, right, you can show all, so that you can see what it is trying, what are the things it is editing, and what are the things it is creating, right? So like for every fully functional app like that, we need style sheets, we need like the code files, everything. So it is creating each one line by line as we requested in our detailed features. So once everything is done, basically it will show the preview here. So as you can see here, it is currently reporting that whatever the web note taking app we have requested, it has fully developed that one, and it is currently showing a preview, as you can see here, right? So basically it is currently showing us a login screen which is exclusively created for this application. And once the if you click on sign up, you can able to create an account as well, as it's changing. So it's a app is currently live. We can able to test that by creating accounts, right? We can able to fully go through that as we have requested, right? It has created all this file index.css, tailwind.config.ts, note.ts, all these particular files it has created, including the index.html. It has added all the features which we have requested for, like creating the note, editing a note, deleting a note, autosave, search, add, remove tags. So all these things it has done the development, and it has given a preview screen as well here. Okay, I have clicked on the sign up, and I'm trying to create an account. Still I haven't published this app into the live. So currently it's just a preview. Only in my local it is trying to run, but it is fully functional. Let's test this app. Okay, I'm clicking on the create account. Okay, so now the my account is created, as it showed in the bottom of the screen that it's created. And if you see, basically like it has provided a search screen here, and there is a logout screen also available. And basically like I can create a note as well. Okay, so let's see if all of these functions work. Okay, still the URL, if you see the UI is a bit basic only, since it just created, right? We can able to align it more, and by giving more and more command we can beautify the user interface and everything, which is very easy. Like so far whatever we'll ask that add a template, like change the screen color, everything. But let's see what is the functionality currently it is doing. Okay, I'm clicking the new note. Okay, here I can able to create a note. As you can see here, right, we have requested for auto save. It shows that saved. As long as I'm no need to click on any save, it is automatically doing that. So this, let's say that I'm giving the for important tag. So that tag is there and it is tagged, and you can see the content here. Okay. Okay. So basically, as you can see, it's fully functional application. Okay. So let's say that if we want to add a title here, okay. So not sure how far the credits left for today, but let's. I will show you the basic idea. If at all we want to add a title here, and yeah, home screen. Okay, so let's see. It is currently trying to add this change to the application. So like this one, you can able to request anything. You can change you can change the appearance. It can do everything. Okay. As you can see here, it currently popped up here. We will see if at all it can be realigned to the center of the screen. Okay. As you can see here, so in this particular screen, it first it added here in the left. Now it has for this particular screen. Don't think about this entire screen, but for this left panel, it has centered it, and it says that it's centered it. Okay, so like this, you can able to change anything, add more features, and remove the existing feature, modify existing feature, so everything is possible. So only your imagination is the limitation. Okay, so whatever you imagine, you can able to build it with your own prompts. Okay, so today my agenda was to show you guys how this powerful technology you can able to use, and you can able to leverage your imagination to build whatever you want to do. Build it, and you can create it, show it to your friends, add it to your portfolio, and like ship it to the client, right? Hi all, hope you like today's video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to What's Next YouTube channel. Thank you.